Today, we are going to learn about the Supertone 271, which was available from the Sears catalog of 1938 and 1939. This guitar is a full grand auditorium size. It featured an archtop as well as a circular sound hole. There was an F-hole option available for the same price, which was $4.98 if you did not want the case. And in fact, with $4.98 as the price tag, you also got a pick, an instructional booklet, and 12 free guitar lessons included with your guitar. Now, some Sears had a music department large enough to have their own lessons. Other Sears were not large enough, and so people would go to their local music store and essentially receive a voucher for free lessons with the guitar itself. This was the cheapest guitar available in the catalog at that time. This catalog here specifically. So of these, this is the cheapest one available at $4.98. The guitar itself was advertised as being built out of a hardwood. The specific hardwood in this case seems to be birch. There's no laminate. We have a solid birch top, sides, and back, as well as the neck appears to be birch. This is a chunky, fat neck. The nut itself, which is actually made out of rosewood in order to save costs, is about 1 3/4 width. And then the neck has a V profile, and it's probably the thickest, chunkiest neck that I've seen. I got the calipers on it, and it's just over 1 inch depth at the first fret. So we're talking bigger than Gibson baseball bats, bigger than 50s Strat Telecaster. This is a chunky neck. It featured open back Bakelite tuners. We had a 14th fret neck joint, making more of the frets accessible. We also have these lovely inlays, which are actually just painted on, but they are diamond snowflake. We have the alternating color, which the advertisement said it was walnut finish and maple finish. It appears that the maple is just the birch of the neck, and the walnut is a painted or actually stained appearance on them. It featured not binding, but painted binding along the edges. Again, $4.98, as well as the sound hole. And on the fretboard that is actually just the neck. This one's almost entirely faded, but you can see on the edge there is a thin black painted binding look to it. This guitar also featured what they are calling a floating guard plate. Indeed, it is suspended. It is not a pick guard, it is a guard plate. This particular guitar just finished a full setup and restoration. It appears to be all original. Everything from the rosewood nut to the tuners to the bridges, which are often broken or replaced. This one is the original Archtop bridge. Again, wood saddle bridge combo, much like the wood nut to save costs. We have the original tailpiece, and all the wood on it is in decent condition. Once these guitars are set up and properly intonated, the sound is just beautiful. Call it tone wood, call it old wood, something about these guitars really resonates. Maybe it's the Archtop, I don't know. But for a $4.98 Sears catalog store guitar, it appears that they hold their own against Martin and Gibsons of the time. Now, I'm not saying that they are equivalent. I'm just saying that to my ears, this particular guitar sounds quite good. Just a lovely guitar, lots of fun to play. Not that difficult to own in terms of availability and price. Obviously, there are cheaper guitars out there, but given that this thing is from 1938, it is not bad in terms of price. This one actually has the tin frets almost entirely intact, and so this one right here is quite the beauty. But there you have it, the Supertone 271.